In this video, I'm going to show you how to record 2 tracks using the app Amplitude. Starting with recording, we just want to hit this little tape icon down here in the corner. Okay, that opens up the tracks right here. Okay, so we have track number 1, and we're just going to do a little rhythm, and then we're going to play a solo over it. So you simply want to do is hit this little red button, and we're ready to go. Stop, and now we have our first track. Let's bring it back to the very beginning. Okay, so now we're ready to do track number 2, but I want to change things up. In order to pick another track, we're just going to tap on the number 2 here. That optimizes the track, and now it opens up the same chain of effects, but I want to add something different to it. So I want to add a little bit of reverb and a little bit of presence, just to give it. Okay, just to give it a little bit of effect, maybe not so much. And then we're going to go back to the recording, and now we see that track number 2 is highlighted. We're going to hit play, and then we're going to lay down our solo track. So let's go. Okay, so there we have the 2 tracks now. Let's go back and just listen to that. All right, let's just play, and I'm not gonna play it all. So that was just for sample purposes. Let me stop this here. All right, so let me know if you found that useful. And if you got any questions, leave them in the comment and I'll try to help you out. I'll see you on the next one.